Safety goggles, hearing protection. If you are going to cut preserved wood, you also need to wear a mask. Maintenance. Generally, circular saw doesn't require much maintenance, but every time before use, a safety check is very necessary. Take a look at the brush, whether the surface is smooth. If it is rough, there may be problems with the armature. Also check whether the blade is sharp or not. A dull blade will make the machine hard to work. Slide the blade to check whether the spring is still active. If you are a long-term user, it is recommended to add lubricant once a year. Okay, all my dear friend, above are the introduction of the circular saw. If you are interested in this item, just try it. Thank you.